What is up? Yeah, so okay, my name is Sam. I am gonna show you guys how I day trade and how you can literally make like 1,000 gainer calls literally every time. It's using trends. So let me just show you a quick little lesson right here. I'll try to make this video as quick as possible to make it easy to watch. But okay, so how does the market move, right? On an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's how the market moves. And then it'll have a break of a structure, right? It'll break that structure on the bottom and then it'll head down, and then it'll be lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this is how the market moves. It'll break in either direction. So this is how the market moves. It's uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. So the way that I trade is I try to catch these trend continuations or these break of structures. And how I do this is I plot key levels. Okay, key levels are essential. Look at this. Okay, so you plot a key level at every high, every low. So perfect. There we go. We plotted our key levels right here. Now let's say price is right here. We're on an uptrend. On an uptrend, we're waiting for a retracement back to this key level, and then we're gonna look for confirmation. Okay. Now here's why I love trading calls on an uptrend and puts on a downtrend, because the stock market is all in probabilities. The more things that add up to your calls going in your favor, will that didn't make any sense. The more things that add up, the better chance your calls are going to happen. So, goddamn, I'm like autistic right now. Okay, so first thing we've got uptrend. Then we're at a key level. Rejection off a key level is number two. Where's the circle at? So we'll have a rejection off a key level, and we'll have confirmation candles. That's three automatically if you're looking for calls on the way up. So this is how I trade. Now let me show you guys an example day. This is how I always practice trading. I go on a new chart. I love QQQ. QQQ is clean. So I go in QQQ. I go in replay mode. I'm just going to go on a random day without looking at price. I'll go whatever this day is. The 28th of June. Actually, let's go further back. Alright, this day, whatever this day is. The 13th of June. Let's run it. So I've never done this day, so I don't know. I could probably lose all my trades. So first thing I look for when the day opens is what is the current market trend on the higher time frame. So as you can see here, we're on an uptrend, right? Where's the arrow? It's going up. So calls are automatically favored today. So this automatically wants to go up because buyers are in control. They have been in control for the past few days. So it's looking good for calls. Let's start the day off with our levels. Right now, levels I always like to use the day before or the day of. So the day before, you always want to go on a higher time frame to plot them. So I'll start on the 5 because I use the 5 and the 1 to trade, and higher time frames to look at the trends and stuff. But yeah, so let's plot key levels. We got if you need help plotting key levels, I'm gonna make a video on that later. But so plotted key levels here. These are the 3 key levels that we have. So let's start the day off on the 5. Let's get some price action. I usually don't trade until about 9. So it's about 9. So now we're looking for some trades. Now, first thing I notice, it just broke above this level that I just plotted. Let me make it so you can see these candles better. So it broke above this level, and it's in an uptrend. Where's the circle? Uptrend. We got a high. We've got a low. We've got a higher high. And this potentially could be the higher low. Look at that. Higher low. Okay. So, 3 things we just found. Where's the arrow? Uptrend. We're at a key level. We just rejecting off this key level. Ideally, we want to wait for another candle just because it's on the 1. On the 1, it fakes you out a lot. On an uptrend, at a key level, we're waiting for one more candle for confirmation. It's weak. We want to see buyers in control. We want to see buyers in control. There's going to be some consolidation right there. Okay, there we go. That's what we're looking for. So that's the candle we enter off of. We put the stop below this consolidation. God damn, I can't talk. Okay, so look at this. Stop is pretty tight. 38 cents on the dollar. And our take profit, we're going to target. There's no levels, so ideally, and we're at this level right here. So if we break above this, we're absolutely mooning. So even if this trade goes against me, I risked a pretty good amount of money. I mean, not a pretty good amount of money. I risk the money to make a ton of money. So let's run it. Let's go on the 5 to just see this real quick. Oh god. All right, beautiful, beautiful. That literally worked out perfectly. I literally predicted a $1.26 increase on QQQ, and let's see how close it got to my stop loss. I entered right there off of this candle. Wait, did I enter off this candle? I swear I entered early. I think I entered off this candle. Yeah. Like it just tapped this level. So beautiful trade right there. That's how you trade. You want to look for these 3 things is what I look for: key level, bounce, or rejection off a key level, confirmation candles, or buyers in control on the 1-minute candle or the 5-minute, and the trend being, you know, whatever way you're going. If you want calls, you want an uptrend. If you're going puts, you want a downtrend. And look at this. You could have got another call opportunity here, but let's continue the day out. So, I mean, you also never want to enter on a high like this. It definitely could break up, but the thing is, if I were to enter here, let's say I did enter, where would I put my stop? If I put it right here, that's likely going to get stopped out. This is weak. If I put it here, which is where I would want to put it, look at how low that is. $1. I'm risking $1 to make whatever. That's kind of risky. So you want to find the best entries where you can put a low stop loss. Look at this. It's going. Like that would see. Look at that. It would have been a terrible entry. So okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. So here we go. This is looking good. We're at this key level right here. Now it is at higher highs, but it's kind of, you can tell it's getting a little weaker. So we're on an uptrend still. If this breaks below this zone, calls are not valid at all. We're waiting for, if there's another big green candle, we're going in. We're going in. Stop right below this candle. 0.42, that's pretty low risk, honestly. And we're targeting the new high of the day. Let's go on the 5. Oh my god. Look at that. $1.50 up. This is the easiest way to trade. And literally, if let's say we go back to the 1. If you wanted these calls, right here, where is it? If you wanted these calls, and this was red, let's say this was red, and it went below this level, what you would do is you would wait for price to go down, bounce up, hit this level, and then you see confirmation to the downside, and then you catch that big move down. But this is a simple day. I'm gonna keep this video short as possible. It's 8 minutes already, but yeah, you're welcome. This is how you catch insane moves on QQQ. QQQ is all that I usually trade. So QQQ and SPY, this is awesome for.